April is Burger Month in the Wine-Apples Valley, and it's a win-win-win. Everyone knows around here the Apple Blossom Festival in May sort of kicks off the tourism season. However, now is actually when the locals are beginning to awaken from their winter slumber with the smell of hamburger. From Windsor down to Annapolis Royal, this year there are 34 restaurants and 8 other businesses raising funds for the Campaign for Kids. $1 of every Burger War burger sold this month will go to Kids in Need in Kings County, and Where It's At Tours, that's me, has designed 2 fun ways to taste the rainbow. Yes, not every location is participating in burger tours. However, there's still certainly enough to create custom, private, delicious adventures serving half burgers along the way with guided door-to-door transportation. We could do just burgers or burgers and beverages, where I would include the first round of every location we went to. We could do a 2-stop mini burger tour, all the way up to a 7-stop jumbo burger tour. I will admit, no one's ever done the jumbo tour. That would be a lot of meat. But are you up for the challenge? Thank you to the Burger War team for helping to highlight all the delicious assets we have up and down this wonderful valley. April is Burger Month, so let's eat burgers for the kids. It's a win-win-win. This is Where It's At.